Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Wednesday, October 29th, 2025. Let's take a look at the charts. Start with the big picture. I can't count the bars, but I think it's about 8 bars. About 2 months ago, we closed above that 364.02 channel top that then indicated 526 and a quarter as a long-term objective. We went with 5 to 8 months. We're 2 months into that right now because we went longer term on that rather than 2 to 3 months. We have definitely had precedent for even a 3 to 5 week move back in November, December of 24. But we went a little longer term because of this channel top that existed inside. This is a 7-8 month channel structure at 485.61 that we tested a month ago. We fell away. We didn't fall all the way back to 364.02, although we'd mentioned how that remains in reach below the 485.61 formation. And that is then the kind of the 1 to 2 month time frame. Below 485.61, we could actually fall back to 364.02, although that's not expected unless we were to close below this rising channel top. Now, this is the daily chart at 414.33, and that is a structure we came very close to testing last Thursday. And this kind of breaks down the different time frames. You know, you've got long-term, mid-term, near-term. We're looking at near-term right now. For me, near-term is 2 to 3 weeks out. And having come so close to testing 414.33, 2 to 3 weeks out, we could actually round back up into this 479.73 to 485.61 level. 485.61 is on the daily chart, found at 479.73. And we'd mentioned that after testing the 414.33 formation, you should allow 479.73 to 485.61 as a 2 to 3 week possibility, which became indicated as a probability following yesterday's, that is Tuesday's settlement above this 451.29 to 451.71 region. So now we're in the 3 to 5 day time frame, which I call short term. Day traders, 3 to 5 day swing traders. Day traders can buy 451.29 to 451.71. How high can we go from here? We just might see 479.73 today, but I'm still going to call it a 3 to 5 day target. 479.73 is the beginning of a range of resistance up to 485.61, the same structure on the weekly chart that may well contain buying not only for the week itself, but even well into November trade. We could test this area and fall away again, fall away back to, well, within 3 to 5 days into the low 450s, within 2 to 3 weeks into the 414.33 region, and yes, within a month or two, potentially back to this 371.25 rising channel bottom. And that is really how it breaks down. All of that context within the idea that 526.25 remains a long-term target. And if we do, over the next week or two, close above 485.61, we should see that 526.25 longer-term objective within just another.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Try it all free for 5 days. Cancel at any time.
1 to 3 weeks, depending on volatility. 526.25 is a 5-year channel top that can contain buying not only through the first quarter of 26, but possibly into later 26. And it does still remain a long-term target. So if you're more the near-term investor who watches this video just to kind of get an idea where Tesla is going, you're already long perhaps, this is your time horizon then. You are knowing that we are constructive, bullish, above 364.02 as we continue into Q1 of 26, expecting 526.25 as a 5 to 8 month target. Let me go with the downside here and just kind of covered that. That if we do happen to close today below 451.29, we've got a good high for the week. Your 3 to 5 day swing trade shifts from bullish, expecting 479.73, to bearish, expecting 414.33. We could see this by the end of next week if we close today, Wednesday, below 451.29. Where profits can be taken on a 3 to 5 day short swing trade, 414.33, then considered decent bottom picking support for not only 3 to 5 day swing traders who could anticipate the low 450s, but 2 to 3 week swing traders who just might see 479.73 within 2 to 3 weeks of testing it. I think I've said enough. We did put out a stock pick, wickedstocks.com today. I'm talking Tuesday. I know this is Wednesdays, but we always record, after the close of the day before to cover the day ahead. So on Tuesday, wickedstocks.com put out a stock pick on, Immunovant. Yeah. They're a biotech company. And so we present a potential buy signal. We give you all the conditions necessary for that. You can check it out at wickedstocks.com. We put out 2 of these a week, these stock picks, as well as daily triple Q and daily SPY analysis. So you might want to check us out at wickedstocks.com and take advantage of our 5-day free trial. I'm going to leave it at that. Please click like, share, subscribe, and I will be back tomorrow, of course, with Thursday's Tesla report.